साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजे युग्मरुक्मव्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दैकसिन्धो रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणवर्षे हृदाकाशे सदाभान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभानुं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनं ममन्तर्यामिनं दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्विस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सतमब्जशकुंस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्कस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतवदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरमधुराक्षरमारुह्य कविताशाखामन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयविग्रहं पारिजातदुर्मूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदपराजेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। वैदेहि सहितं रुद्रमत्र्यायमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितमग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वमुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलं। वामे भूमिसुता प्रच्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादिकोनेषु च सुग्रीवश्च भीषणश्च विराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलम्। जानकीकान्तस्मरणं राम राम आञ्जनेय स्वामी की जय। कुले जात महाप्राज्ञ महावृत्त महायशः ग्राह्यं रामस्य वाक्यं ते पितरं यद्यवेक्षसे। All the rishis who had gathered there told Bharata, if you have any regard for your father, then you must accept Rama's words. Let Rama remain in the forest while you go back to Ayodhya and look after Ayodhya. The rishis who are interested in Ravana Vadham to happen so that the welfare of all the worlds can be ensured. Bharata is no doubt sad. The people of Ayodhya are no doubt sad. God always, you can say in a way, Swami used to tell this very often. Swami used to say, a farmer is praying for rain. He has planted the seeds, he sowed the seeds and he's waiting for the rain to come. So he goes to the temple and says, oh Lord, let it rain the next couple of days. Another man goes to the temple and says, oh Lord, please let it not rain for the next couple of days because my daughter is getting married, all the arrangements have been made. What will God do? Whose prayer should God listen to? Equally, they have important things. Both people have important things to happen. So then what prayer should God listen to? God, that is why God keeps quiet and lets Prarabdha take over. There is a reason why Bhagavan does not interfere. Two people are praying for the same job. For interview, two people have gone for the interview. Both are praying to God. What can happen? Both are praying, I should get it. Whom should God favor? The one who prays more. What is the meaning of praying more? There is no meaning. Sometimes people come and say, Nanna Ashirvadam Pannungo அப்படிம்பா. குழந்தைக்கு நன்னா ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்ணுங்க. அது நன்னா எப்படி பண்ண முடியும்? அதுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம்? அதுக்கு பண்ணா பண்ணதான் முடியும். நன்னா ஆசீர்வாதம்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? அழுத்தி தலையில் அழுத்தி கை வைக்கணுமா? என்ன அர்த்தம்? People will come and say, please bless him well. Be happy, I'm not pushing you into the well. In the well. அந்த மாதிரி ப்ரே மோர், ப்ரே த மோஸ்ட். என்ன அர்த்தம்? வாட் டஸ் இட் மீன்? இதெல்லாம் அர்த்தம் இல்லை இல்லையா? So you must understand sometimes Bhagavan's plight, Bhagavan's quandary. இந்த பக்கம் ராமர் உட்கார்ந்துருக்கார், ஒரு பக்கம் Bharata is praying. Bharata is saying, Rama, Anna, come back to Ayodhya, come back to Ayodhya. On the other hand, rishis are all staying invisibly and praying to Rama, please do not accept, please do not accept. ஏன்னா ராவணவதம் has to happen. அப்படின்னு அப்போ பகவான் யார் சொல்றதை கேட்கறது? Who should Bhagavan listen to? Bhagavan listens to himself only. वो तो मनमानी करता है. He simply listens to himself. Rama especially, இது எப்பவுமே தெரியும். Rama's stubbornness is known right from the beginning all the way to the end. Rama is always stubborn. When Kausalya says stay back, Rama doesn't stay. When Bharata says come, Rama doesn't come. When all the monkeys say Vibhishana should not be accepted, Rama disregards it and accepts Vibhishana. When everybody says Sita should not be banished, he still exiles Sita. எல்லாம் தான் பண்றதான் பண்ணுவார் பகவான். Because if Bhagavan decides to give in to people's feelings, then he can never proceed with anything. Because for everything there are people who accept it, people who oppose it. ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் மனுஷா இருக்கா இல்லையா? அதனால Bhagavan does not interfere. Bhagavan lets Prarabdha take its own course. As your karma is, so you experience everything. Bhagavan will do. பூர்ண சரணாகதி பண்ணும் பொழுதுதான் பகவானுக்கு ஒரு வழி இல்லாமல், when we completely surrender to Bhagavan, then Bhagavan has to rewrite Prarabdha, has to interfere. That is the only place where he interferes. Otherwise he does not interfere. Nalinga Rama is in that plight. Rama refuses to go back to Ayodhya despite all the people of Ayodhya entreating, because a greater weightage is placed on Ravanavadam, because Bhagavan has given a promise, I will destroy Ravana. அதனால even the rishis come and counsel. Rishis, Gandharvas, एतावदुक्त्वा वचनं गन्धर्वाः समहर्षयः राजऋषयश्चैव तदा सर्वे स्वां स्वां गतिं गताः. Gandharvas, rishis, rajarishis, maharishis, all of them came there and told Bharata to desist. Let Rama remain in the forest. அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே ராமருக்கு ஒரே சந்தோஷம் ஆயிடுத்து. Rama became very happy. क्लादिनस्तेन वाक्येन शुभेन शुभदर्शनः. நம்ம சப்போர்ட்டுக்கு யாராவது வந்துட்டா நம்ம சந்தோஷம் தானே. If somebody comes and supports our words when we are single-handedly facing a whole assembly, everybody is opposing us, there is nobody to support us. அப்ப suddenly rishis come, maharishis come, gandharvas come, siddhas come, charanas come, everybody supports Ramana. Rama became happy about it. அதனால he looks at Bharata with a big smile. Bharata says, I am still not qualified to rule. I am not qualified to rule. You alone can rule. அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, அப்போ Rama says, Agata tvamiyam buddhi. Agata tvamiyam buddhi svaja vainaiki chaya. वृषमुत्सहसे तातरक्षितुं पृथ्वीमपि. Rama says to Bharata, don't worry. You have been born in this wonderful lineage, and all the knowledge that is required to rule will automatically come to you. You will be able to protect. Or innate wisdom is there inside you. எப்படி வந்தது அப்படின்னா, இந்த ஹியூமிலிட்டி இருக்கே அதிலே வந்துடுத்து உனக்கு. வைனயிகி ச அப்படின்னா வினயம் இருக்கோ இல்லையோ உனக்கு. எனக்கு தெரியாதே, ஐ டு நாட் நோ அப்படின்னு when you said I do not know, you are then and there qualified to, you are qualified அப்படின்னா. I remember Swami asked John Hislop. Hislop இருக்கார் இல்லையா, Hislop was involved in the setting up of Maharishi Mahesh Yogi's organization, Transcendental Meditation, and the organization to Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, his organization, ashram, etc. Hislop was instrumental in setting up. He was a very, very skilled, qualified person, competent person, and he was in the quest for the truth. Adala he went everywhere. Finally he came to Swami and then never moved out of any after Swami's feet. Appo he has seen many gurus, and Swami wanted him to start the organization in the West and head it. And the Swami asked him, do you want to be a guru? Shall I make you a guru? Shall I make you a guru? Shall I make you a leader, a spiritual leader of people? Now, yo, Swami, no thank you, I have no qualifications to do so. Islam immediately protested. Swami said, that itself is the qualification. That there is the qualification. Yes, I am skilled to do. No, you are not qualified. To lead, especially to lead people, what do you need? You should know to be a servant first. If you want to be a leader, you have to start by first becoming a servant. Without becoming a servant, how do you know what servants feel, what subordinates feel when you lead? And then Rama says the very Swaja Swaja inborn. And the inborn humility that you have itself will give you the wisdom. That wisdom will come to you. You already reached that wisdom by the humility that you have within you. Adanala, you are perfectly capable of protecting this earth. You are surrounded by good ministers, clever people, buddhimat bihi, sukrit bihi, amatyaihi, ministers who are all good, well-wishers of you and of Ayodhya. They are clever people, competent people. They will all give advice to you. With their help, you will be able to do all of that at the same time. Kamadva tatalobadva matra tubhyamidam kritam na tal manasi kartavyam vartitavyam cha matruvat. Ella settle paniyachu. Rama is settling everything. You go back, you rule, you have the qualification. Ana that Ramaruடைய ஒரு broad mindedness, he never lets go of even small minor points. அதில் ஒரு பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு. என்னன்னு சொன்னா, காமாத்வா தாத்த லோபாத்வா, either out of desire, out of greed, out of covetousness, out of affection. Mother Kaikeyi behaved in a certain manner. Matra tubhyamidam kritam, vanakahatanda panna. You are scolding your mother, but your mother did everything for your sake. For your sake, she was willing to run so much infamy, get so much ill name and ill repute. Enna ill name அப்படின்னா இன்னி வரைக்கும் until today nobody names their daughter as Kaikeyi இல்லையா? Kausalya அப்படின்னா the name is still available. Even now people are named themselves Kausalya, their daughters Kausalya. Sumitra அப்படின்னா they will name their daughter Sumitra. ஆனா இன்னி வரைக்கும் கைகேயின்னு ஒரு daughter வந்திருக்காளா சொல்லுங்க. Has anybody in India named their daughter she is Kaikeyi? இல்லையா? அப்ப கைகேயி தன் பேரை விட்டு கொடுத்துட்டா இல்லையா? She sacrificed her name. For what? அப்படின்னா Bharata's sake, so that Bharata may become the king அப்படின்னு சொன்னதுனால ராமர் அதை பார்க்கிறார். Of course, when we saw the story, we also saw that she was jealous of Kausalya. Those things are also there. Ana Rama's gunam enna? What is Rama's quality அப்படின்னா, even though bad may be there, if there is a small trace of good in it, he will catch hold of that. அதான் அன்னைக்கே சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, யுதிஷ்டிரா and Duryodhana, we said how they both looked out for what அப்படின்னு. அந்த மாதிரி good is there in everybody, bad is there in everybody. If you want to look only at the wrong things அப்படின்னா குற்றம் பார்க்கின் சுற்றம் இல்லை. தமிழ்ல ஒரு வசனம் சொல்லுவோம், there is a saying in Tamil, குற்றம் பார்க்கின் சுற்றம் இல்லை. If you keep looking at mistakes, then there will be no relationship with anybody. If you always find fault with everybody, then nobody will be around you. அதனால we've got to find what is good in them. குணத்தை தான் பார்க்கணுமே தவிர குற்றத்தை பார்க்க முடியாது. We can only see what is good in them. Rama looks at that good in Kaikeyi. He says she did it for your sake. She sacrificed for your sake. அதனால நதல் மனசி கர்த்தவ்யம் வர்த்தித்தவ்யம் ச மாத்ருவத். அதனால you should conduct yourself towards her as befits a mother. அதாவது you should not conduct yourself in any other way. அப்படி ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷனும் கொடுக்கிறார். Bharata is now convinced that he has to go back. அதனால what does he do அப்படின்னா, he keeps a pair of golden sandals in front of Rama. He's brought it along with him. நினைச்சுக்கப்படாது ராமருடைய செர்பியும் பிடிக்கிட்டு போயிட்டான். He brought it along with him. ஹேமபூஷிதே அப்படின்னு வார்த்தை. How do we know he brought it along with him? அப்படின்னா ஹேமபூஷிதே அப்படின்னு, they are decorated with gold. And Rama did not come to the forest walking on gold decorated sandals. இல்லையா? Golden footwear போட்டு ராமா வரல. And Bharata brought it because when the king, his idea was that Rama will go back. He had brought royal robes, crown, எல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்திருக்காங்க. He had brought everything ready. ஆனால் ராமா ரெஃப்யூஸ்ட் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால அட்லீஸ்ட் he got that golden sandals brought. ஆதிரோகார்ய பாதாபியாம் பாதுகே ஹேமபூஷிதே ஏதே ஹி சர்வலோகஸ்ய யோகக்ஷேமம் விதாஸ்யதஹ. அண்ணா, please step on these golden sandals, these golden padukas. We would have loved for your lotus feet to have graced Ayodhya. Anna, we are not able to have the good fortune. Adana, let at least the padukas which bear the imprint of your lotus feet be taken with us. Abdingaradana, please stand upon these padukas. Yete hi sarvalokasya yogakshemam vidasyataha. These are capable of protecting all the worlds. அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே ராமா immediately got on to it. So adiruhya naravyagra paduke hi avaruhya cha, he got on to it and then stepped out of it and then gave them to Bharata. Bharataya mahatmane, he gave it to Bharata. What did Bharata do அப்படின்னா, sa paduke sampranamya ramam vajanam abravit, அது அப்படி கண்ண ஒத்திண்டாராம். He applied this padukas to his eyes, worshipped the padukas, did a prostration to the padukas and then spoke to Rama. Chaturdashahi varshani jatachiradaro hyaham phalamulashano veera bhaveyam raghunandana tavaagamanam akankshan vasanvai nagarad bahihi tava padukayoranyasta rajyatantrah parantapa. Chaturdashaki Varshani, for 14 years. Jatachiradaro aham, I will also be wearing these matted locks and the clothes of bark. Phalamula shanovira, I will eat only roots and fruits. In this manner I am going to live. And during this time, it is your padukas that are going to have the responsibility of ruling over this entire kingdom. I shall not enter into the city, I shall live outside Nagarad Bahihi. I cannot go to the forest, but I will not enter into the city also. I shall stay outside the city, looking forward to your arrival. You have set so many conditions, I have accepted all of those conditions. This is my condition, you have to accept. The padukas shall rule, I will not rule. Padukas shall sit upon the throne, I shall only be the agent of the padukas, the regent of the padukas. I shall not enter into Ayodhya Nagaram. I shall stay outside in Nandigrama. I shall also dress myself exactly as you have. I shall also eat the food that you will eat. I shall also style my life after your lifestyle. But more than all of that, Chaturdashe tu sampurne varshe haniraguttama nadrakshami yaditvam tu pravekshami hutashanam. Anna, don't think that you alone are good in giving promises, making promises. I am also in the same family, I also value my words. Adanala, I am making a promise here. I shall wait for 14 days, but if on the completion of 14 years, I shall wait for you. But if on the completion of 14 years, on the day after the completion of 14 years, Varsha Ahani na ஒரு நாள், on the day when 14 years complete, if I do not see you, nadrakshami yaditvam, if I do not see you, pravekshami hutashanam, I shall enter into the fire. I will not live after that, I will enter into the fire if I do not see you on the day when the 14 years ends. This is my condition. Abdina Bharata stipulated. Udane Rama tate ticha pratignyaya tam parishvajya sadaram சத்ருகுணம் ச பரிஷ்வஜ்ய பரதம் சேதம் அப்ரவீத். அப்படியே பார்க்கிறார் ராமர், என்ன பிரேமம், வாட் லவ். He can go back and live royally. Nobody is asking him to என்ன மாதிரி இருக்க போறாங்க, இப்படிக்கு என்ன போகணும், why should he live like this? அது மாத்திரம் இல்லை, if the 14th year when it completes you do not come, I will enter into the fire அப்படின்னா ராமருக்கு தாங்கல. அப்படியே எடுத்துட்டு ததேதி ஆகட்டுண்டா, let it be so அப்படின்னு ராமா hugged Bharata immediately to himself. பரிஷ்வஜ்ய சாதரம், அப்படி இழுக்க கட்டினுட்டான். கட்டினோடனே அங்கே சத்ருகனன் மாத்திரம் நிற்கிறான். அண்ணா அப்படின்னா வாடா அப்படின்னு அவனையும் ஒரு கட்டிட்டு சத்ருக்னம் ச பரிஷ்வஜ்ய. ஒரு பக்கம் பரதா வாஸ் ஹக்ட், ஒரு பக்கம் சத்ருக்னா வாஸ் ஹக்ட். ராமா ஹக்கிங் both his brothers to his chest, broad chest இல்லையா, மகோரஸ்தம். Why does Bhagavan have broad shoulders and broad chest அப்படின்னா so that all of us can go and fall upon him and he can hold us. Why does he have so many arms அப்படின்னா சஹஸ்ர சீருஷா புருஷா சஹஸ்ராக்ஷ சஹஸ்ரபாத் அப்படின்னு thousands of arms, thousands of legs நம்மளெல்லாம் கட்டிக்கிறதுக்கு தானே. So that he can hold us in his embrace, so that he can protect us. Thousands of eyes he can look upon us. Bhagavan has become ready to look at us, to protect us, to do all of that. We have to be ready enough for Bhagavan to look at us. அதுதான் முக்கியம். இப்போ Bhagavan is ready to look at us. We should also be ready. We should also be pleasing to his eye. பரதன் மாதிரி இருந்துட்டானா போறோம். If you are like Bharata, it is enough. எனக்குன்னு ஒரு லைஃப் வேண்டான்னுட்டான் பரதன். What did பரத சரணாகதி, முதல் சரணாகதி ஸ்ரீமத் ராமாயணத்தில் சரணாகதி சாஸ்திரம்னு சொன்னோம். ராமாயண சரணாகதி சாஸ்திரம். என்ன சொன்னான் நான் பரதன்? What does Bharata say? What you will not have, I will also not have. What you will have only I will have. உன் லைஃப் எப்படியோ அப்படித்தான் எனக்கும். If you eat fruits and roots, I will also eat fruits and roots. If you will not live in a palace, I will also not live in a palace. If you shall not enter into the city, I shall also not enter into the city. உனக்கு எப்படியோ அப்படிதான், உன்னை தாண்டி எனக்கு வேண்டான்னா அப்படின்னு. அதான் சரணாகதி பண்றான் இங்க. பரத சரணாகதி, பகவான் அக்செப்ட்ஸ் இட். பரிஷ்வஜ்ய சாதரம் பிரதிஜ்ஞாய, பகவான் சொல்ற ததேதி பிரதிஜ்ஞாய, ஐ ப்ராமிஸ் யூ ஐ ஷல் பி பேக் அப்படின்னா. Bharata won the promise from Rama, I will be back on the day when 14 years complete. நான் வந்துடுறேன்டா, I will come. ததேதி ச பிரதிஜ்ஞாய தம் பரிஷ்வஜ்ய சாதனம். அப்படியே கட்டிக்கிறார். ராமா ஹக்ஸ் பரதா, ராமா ஹக் சத்ருக்னா. கடலாம் தண்ணி. Rama's eyes are filled with tears. Ashru paritakshaha, eyes filled with tears, looking at the bhakti of bhaktas. Rama is not looking at them as brothers. தம்பின்னு பார்க்கல ராமர். Rama is not looking at them as brother. என்ன தம்பியானும் பார்க்கலாம், because Rama looks at everybody as brother. Guha is also a brother, Sugriva is also a brother, Vibhishana is also a brother. அப்படிங்கிறதுனால Rama looks upon all of his bhaktas as brothers. மாதரோ ரக்ஷ கைகேயீம் மாரோஷம் குருதாம் பிரதி. அப்போ ஒரு வார்த்தை, மாதரோ ரக்ஷ கைகேயீம், அம்மாவை பார்த்துக்கோடா, லுக் ஆஃப்டர் மதர் கைகேயி. மா ரோஷம் குருதாம் பிரதி, டோன்ட் பி ஆங்கிரி டுவர்ட்ஸ் ஹர். இத நான் சொல்றேன். மயாச்ச சீதையா சைவ சப்தோசி ரகுத்தமா ரகுசத்தமா. This I lay a command upon you in my name and Sita's name. எம் பேர்ல ஆணை, சீதா பேர்ல ஆணை, அம்மாவை நன்னா பார்த்துக்கணும். You should not be angry towards Kaikeyi. ஏன் அப்படின்னா அந்த பாவம் அந்த குழந்தைக்கு வரக்கூடாது. No child has the right to upbraid the mother, no matter how the mother may be. It is a sin. Therefore that sin should not come to Bharata. அப்படிங்கிறதுனால Rama compels him, do not utter a word against Kaikeyi, do not be angry with her. Ityuktva shruparitaksha brataram visasarjaha. Kalam, leave Bharata, now take leave, go back to Ayodhya. அப்படின்னு with tears in his eyes Rama bids farewell to his brothers Bharata and Shatrughna, to the three mothers, to the Guru Vashishta, to all the other ministers, Sumantara, Guha, எல்லாரும் வந்திருக்கா. அத்தனை பேருக்கும் Rama bids them farewell as per their rank. In accordance with their rank, he gives it to them. Anupurvya, அவளுடைய as appropriate to each one of them, he greets them, bids farewell to all of them. Bharatano सपादुके ते भरतः प्राप्तवान् स्वलङ्कृते सम्परिपूज्य धर्मवित् प्रदक्षिणं चैव चकार राघवं चकार ते चोत्तमनागमूर्धनि. And the Padukaya, Bharata took those Padukas, went around Rama in a Pradakshinam, placed it upon his own head, and then finally when they came down, he put it on the top of the best elephant. Yanin Thalela Vakiran. He places it upon the elephant because procession, he brought the elephant to bring Rama back. Rama Padukas going back, sitting upon the elephant. तां मातरो बाष्पगृहीतकण्ठयो दुःखेन नामन्त्रयितुं हि शेकुः सत्वेव मातृरभिवाद्य सर्वारुदन् कुटीन् स्वां प्रविवेश राघवः. As for the three mothers, they could not speak anything because of the sorrow that came. Their throats were choked in sorrow, by sorrow. Tears freely flowed from their eyes. Rama saluted all of them. Abhivadya fell at their feet. Rudan and weeping himself with tears in his eyes. Swam Kutim Pravivesha entered into his cottage. Rama entered back into his own kuti, into his cottage. ततश्शिरसि कृत्वा तु पादुके भरतस्तदा आरुरोह रथं हृष्टः शत्रुघ्नेन समन्वितः. அது தலையில தூக்கிட்டு போறான். பரதா is keeping the padukas upon his head. தலையில தாங்கிண்டே போறான். Giving highest importance to Rama's padukas, he places them upon his own head and walks down along with Shatrughna. Vasishto Vamadevascha Jabalischa Dridavratah Agrata Prayu Sarve Mantrino Mantra Pujitaha, along with all the ministers, the rishis such as Vasishta, Vamadeva, Jabali, etc. Larma, they are all returning. They came back, went around Mount Chitrakuta, proceeded towards the river, beautiful river Mandakini, and Tandi. They came to Bharadwaja Ashrama. Tripim Bharadwaja Ashramatak Vanda. There they got down and prostrated at Bharadwaja's feet. Bharadwaja children, Tato Krishto Bharadwajo, Bharatam Vakyam Abravit, Api Krityam Kritam Tata, Ramena Samagatam. Bharadwaja asks him, have you accomplished your purpose? You went to meet Rama. Has it been accomplished by you? Abdina. Bharadwaja asks him, Adak children. Bharata says, we went, although we all entreated Rama. He said, I will honor the words of promise given by my father. I will live in the forest for 14 years as I have promised. Abdina Channar, even then, Evamukto Mahapragyo Vasishta Pratyuvachaka Vakyagyo Vakyakuchalam Raghavam Vajanam Mahat Yete Prayaja Samrishtaha Paduke Hemabushite Ayodhyaya Mahapragya Yogakshe Makaretava. Apo, my Guru Vasishta suggested that the Padukas should be installed upon the throne. Adanale we submitted the Padukas. Although Valmiki initially says Bharata is the one who asked Rama, and India Bharata tells Bharadwaja Vasishta Bhagavan asked Rama. Idea came from Vasishta. Although Bharata made the plea, the original idea, Bharata gives credit. Nane Bhanden Chalala. I was very clever. I took Padukas and Illa. Guru Channar. My Acharya told me, my Guru told me, Adanala, because of that we placed the Padukas at Rama's feet. Rama got on to it and then got off. Those Padukas we have taken. Rama has given me those Padukas. Paduke kyadiruhyate mama rajyayave dadau. Mama rajyayave dadau. He gave these Padukas to me so that they may rule Ayodhya. And having been permitted by him in this manner, I am returning to Ayodhya so that these auspicious Padukas may Paduke Shubhe, these auspicious Padukas may rule over Ayodhya. Now you tell me whether I have accomplished my purpose or not. Have you accomplished your purpose? அப்படின்னா நீங்களே சொல்லுங்களே. பாதுகா வந்துட்டே எனக்கு ராம பாதுகா வருதே அப்படி சந்தோஷமா சொல்ல கிருஷ்ணா. With joy in his heart he says, ஏன்னா ராமர் வரலன்னு குறை, ராமர் பாதுகா வந்துடுத்துன பாதுகையும் ராமரும் ஒண்ணுதான் அப்படின்னு. In fact, ஹாஸ்யமா சொல்லுவா. In humor they say, Rama Padukas are Rama's elder brother. ராமனுக்கே அண்ணா பாதுகை. ஏன்னா ஆஃப்டர் தசரதா who ruled over Ayodhya? பாதுகாஸ் ruled over Ayodhya. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ராமா ruled over Ayodhya. அதனால ஆஃப்டர் யார் அண்ணா யார் ஜேஷ்டன் அப்படின்னா, is Rama greater or Paduka greater? Rama Padukas are greater than Rama because Rama, before Rama could rule, Padukas had. அதனால Padukas are senior to Rama. Seniority wise, Padukas are senior to Rama. Erstwhile king அது, retired king. அப்புறம் தான் ராமர். அதனால ancestors எல்லாம் பத்தி ஒருத்தரா வந்து Rama has to worship all the Ragukula ancestors who ruled before prior to him அப்படின்னா he has to worship his own Padukas. ஏன்னா பாதுகா வந்து விடுதே அப்படின்னு. இதே மாதிரி later on when Janaki is going to be in Ashoka Vatika, அங்க Hanuman is going to come and give the ring, Rama's ring. அப்ப பர்த்தார் மிவசம் பிராப்தோ முதிதா ஜானகி அப்படின்னு. Janaki becomes happy on receiving Rama's ring as though she has already united with Rama. அந்த மாதிரி பகவானுடைய ஒரு all of us also want to be with Bhagavan. And what does Bhagavan do? It is not possible for us to physically be with him in that manner. Bharatanake mudiyala, Bharata himself could not accomplish it. அதனால what does Bhagavan do? Bhagavan also presents himself in various archa murtis, archavatars. நம்ம ஆத்துல ஒரு போட்டோ இருந்ததுனால கூட, even if we have a photo in our house of a lord, of a god, that is also the god only. ஒரு விக்கிரகம் இருந்தது, if we have a vigraha, an idol of the lord, it is the lord himself. ஒரு பாதுகா இருந்ததுன்னா அது அவரே தான் அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். we have got to treat it like that. அதைத்தான் ஸ்ரீமத் ராமாயணத்துல Bharata demonstrates it to us, Sita demonstrates it to us. Vallan, they show that anything from the divine is divine. அதையே நம்ம பகவானே பார்த்துடலாம். we can look upon that itself as the divine and attain the same joy. அப்படின்னு when Bharata submitted to Bharadwaja was very happy. He said, naturally a person like you will have all these excellent good qualities. Dasharatha is certainly blessed that he has got sons like you. அப்படின்னு Bharadwaja blesses Bharata. Taking leave of Bharadwaja, Bharata returns to Ayodhya with all of his people. The entire group that came all returned. Rama did not come, but Rama Padukas came. அப்படிங்கிறதுனால with great joy they still come back. இருந்தாலும் ராமர் வரலையே அப்படின்னு ஒரு துக்கம் ஒரு பக்கம். Rama has not come because Rama is still suffering in the forest அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு துக்கம் இருக்கு. Bharata, after coming back to Ayodhya, he escorts his mothers to the borders of Ayodhya. அங்க சொல்லிட்டு சொல்றான், Nandigramam Gamishyami. I am going to Nandigramam. Sarvanamantrayedyavat adyachvaha. I am going to go to Nandigrama. Tatra dukkam idam sarvam sahishye ragavam vina. There I shall put up with this grief that comes to me on account of separation from Sri Rama. Ramam pratikshye. I shall wait for Rama. என்னுடைய குரு vanastascha gurur mama, my guru is in the forest. Rama is my guru, he is in the forest. Therefore I shall also stay outside the city, waiting for him, looking after his kingdom on his behalf until then. அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே all the people there, including Vasishta, said, the words that you have described, the words that you have said out of the devotion that you have for your brother are certainly praiseworthy. All of us approve of your decision. அப்படின்னு சொன்னா. Again the Bharata, who was ratastas sadu dharmatma Bharato bhratravatsalaha Nandigramam yayau turnam shirasyadaya paduke, carrying the padukas upon his head still. He went to Nandigrama. அங்க சொன்னார், நந்திகிராமத்தை இறங்கி சொன்னார், எங்க அண்ணா has given me these padukas are going to rule. I am only going to be supporting this rule. It has been entrusted to me. அவ்வளவுதான். அதனால பாதுகா is the real ruler. அப்படின்னு he announced it, and in order to prove that, set it into action also. enna sonnarna chatram dharayata kshipram arya pada vimau matau abhyam rajye stito dharmah padukabhyam guror mama. Hold the white royal umbrella above the padukas. Bharata is carrying the padukas on his head and he said, hold the royal umbrella, bring the royal umbrella, Kshipram, Shikram kondu vaango. Yenna, from this moment onwards, Paduka is the king. Adanala, let the umbrella be held on top of the padukas. I shall safeguard these padukas until Rama comes back. And then when he comes back, enna pannuven appadina, I shall be there waiting for him with these padukas so that as soon as he comes, he can step on to them once more. ततो निक्षिप्त बारोहं राघवेण समागता निवेद्य गुरवे राज्यं भजिष्ये गुरुवृत्तिता. गुरु 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 नु சொல்றான். திருப்பி திருப்பி ராமரை பத்தி குரு, மை குரு, these are my gurus padukas சொல்றான். Padukabhyam guror mama, these are my gurus padukas. My gurus in the forest, these padukas belong to my guru. And when my guru comes back, then what will I do? Abdina nivedya gurave rajyam, I shall give this rajya back to my guru when he comes back. Vajishye guru vrittitam, and I shall be engaged only in guru service. Guru vritti liye irpen nan. I will be engaged in serving my guru Shri Rama when he comes back. Raghavaya sanyasam dattameve varapaduke rajyam chedamayodhyancha Duta papo bhavamicha. And then when I restore these sandals to him, the kingdom to him, the people to him, then I shall be cleansed of all my sins. Abdina, I shall spend next 14 years worshipping my Guru Paduka. Abdina. Na adishayam parva naale Guru Purnima. Tomorrow is Guru Purnima. Ana iniki mulka Guru 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 Paduka Guru Namo Namasti Guru Padukabhyam nu solluvom illaya. Guru Stotram, Guru Paduka Stotram sollum பொழுது அனந்த சம்சார சமுத்திரதாரா நௌகாயிதாப்யாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நமோ நமஸ்தி குரு பாதுகாபியாம் சொல்லி அந்த குரு பாதுகாபியாம் தான் இங்க. அந்த குரு பாதுகாங்கிறது அந்த whole idea of Guru Padukas itself comes from Bharata's and Rama, where he doesn't look upon Rama as his elder brother. He says Guror Mama, he is my guru, these are my Guru's Padukas. I shall worship and I shall be engaged constantly in Guru Vrittitam, in Guru Seva அப்படின்னு சொல்லி என்ன பண்ணான் பரதன்? ராமாகமன காங்க்ஷன் பரதோ பிராத்ருவத்சலஹ பிராத்ருவச்சனகாரி ச பிரதிஜ்ஞா பாரகஸ்ததா பாதுகே துவபிஷிச்சாத் நந்திகிராமே அவசத்ததா. He got a throne there, he placed the padukas upon the throne and coronated the padukas. Paduka Pattabhishekam happened. Sri Rama Pattabhishekam did not happen. Rama Paduka Pattabhishekam happened. Savalavyajanam chatram dharayamasa swayam. In standing in front of that padukas, he will fan it, it seems. He will hold the royal umbrella on top of the Bharata Shasanam Sarvam Padukabhyam Nivedayan. Bharata Shasanam, Bharata ruled over the kingdom. Padukabhyam Nivedayan, surrendering it to the padukas, submitting it to the padukas, dedicating his entire work to the padukas. He is going to perform all the action for 14 years. Ana Padukabhyam Nivedayan, dedicating everything to padukas. Subordinating himself to the padukas, he is going to work for them. எப்படி பண்ணான்னா வால்மீகி சொல்றார், அழகா இருக்கு. ததஸ்து பரத சாஷி சாஸ்ரீமான் அபிஷிச்சார்ய பாதுகே தததீனஸ்ததா ராஜ்யம் காரயாமாச சர்வதா. தததீனம், he made himself subordinate, he made himself the servant of the padukas and performed all the activities of ruling over the kingdom. And இது பண்ணும் பொழுது எப்படி பண்ணான் அவன் பாவத்தை பார்க்கணும் இங்க. We have got to look at the bhava with which Bharata worshipped those padukas. ஏதோ பாதுகா வச்சான்னு நிறுத்தம் இல்லை. It is not simply that he placed the padukas there. How did he do it அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. तदा हि यत्कार्यमुपैति किञ्चिदुपायनं चोपकृतं महार्घं स पादुकाभ्यां प्रथमं निवेद्य चकार पश्चात् भरतो यतावत्. எப்படி பண்ணான்னு பாருங்க, ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு கேட்கறதுக்கே. ததாஹி யத் காரியம் உபைதி, ஏதாவது பெரிய விஷயம், some issue, even it's the smallest thing, yat kinchit, even a small problem, if it came now, he will go and say, announce it to the padukas. அண்ணா இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு இஷ்யூ இருக்கு, we've got a problem like this, a small problem has arisen, this issue has arisen, அப்படின்னு he will keep the paduka informed. பாவம் தானே, யத் பாவம் தத் பவதி, அப்படி பாவமும் அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். சோபகிருதம் மகார்கம். அப்புறம் if any, as a, since he is still the king இல்லையா, other people consider him as the king, அதனால gifts will come. என்ன gift வந்தாலும் he will go and keep it to the padukas. பாதுகாட்ட கொண்டு போய் gift வச்சிடுவார். ச பாதுகாபியாம் பிரதமம் நிவேத்ய, பாதுகாபியாம் பிரதமம் நிவேத்ய, first he will offer it to the padukas. It was first offered and then only it was dealt with in whichever way. Paschat bharato yatavat chakara, then in whichever manner it has to be done, Bharata will do it. Whether it is a problem that came or whether it is a reward that came, both of those things, fortune or misfortune or everything will be submitted to Paduka first. அது ஒரு சந்தோஷம் தானே, ஏன்னா ஒரு சப்போர்ட் இருக்கே நமக்கு, we've got a support, எல்லாத்துலயும் இருக்கே. Bharata set the great trend for everybody, all of us to follow. Shravanam kirtanam Vishnu smaranam padasevanam, இதான் பாதசேவனம். எப்படி பாதசேவனம் அப்படின்னா, அந்த பாதுகையை வச்சுட்டு பகவானுடைய பாதத்துல, at Bhagavan's feet, everything is placed at Bhagavan's feet. If it is a problem, it is placed at Bhagavan's feet. If it is a great good fortune that has come, that is also offered to Bhagavan. எல்லாம் உனக்குப்பா. Good things alone need not be offered, problems also can be offered. என்ன பெரிய பெரிய ப்ராப்ளம் ஆனா யத் கிஞ்சித், என்ன ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் ஆல்சோ கேன் பி ஆஃபர்ட். தலைவலிக்கிறதுனா கூட பகவான் கிட்ட சொல்லலாம், தப்பு இல்லை. தலைவலிக்கிறதே பிரபு, பரவாயில்ல பொறுத்துக்கிறேன், இருந்தாலும் தலைவலி சொல்றேன், அவ்வளவுதான், அவ்வளவுதான். இன்ஃபார்ம் பகவான் கிட்ட, இன்ஃபார்ம் பகவானே, ஐ ஹேவ் a headache, that's okay, I will bear with it, but please informing me, I have a headache. ஏன்னா அவனுக்கு தெரியாதான்னு, will Bhagavan not know அப்படின்னா, of course he will know, but don't you want to talk to him? What kind of a fool would you be if you don't want to talk to him? ஏதோ சொல்றதுக்கு வேணுமே நமக்கு, we need something to tell இல்லையா? so headache அந்த headache சொல்லு, இல்ல பிரைஸ் வந்து கொடுத்தானா, இன்னைக்கு எல்லாரும் என்ன சொன்னா, everybody praised me today, so அதை சொல்லு. whatever it is, எல்லாம் நிவேதய, எல்லாம் பாதுகைக்கு பூஜை பண்ணி, worshipping the padukas, சத்திரம் பிடிச்சி சாமரம் வீசி, holding the umbrella, fanning the padukas, abhishekam panni, ellam panni, paduka puja pannidu, appuram water the whole day, throughout the day, whatever it is that comes, he first goes and conveys it to Rama padukas, and then only he carries on the work from there on. Appadina Bharata is showing all of us how to live our lives in complete surrender to Bhagavan. Surrender na enna nu kaamikku, Bharata is showing us what is surrender. How do we surrender to Bhagavan? If we are going to live our lives like this, அப்படின்னா பரதஸ்ய கதாம் குரு அப்படின்னு Bhagavan will ask about us. Bhagavan will say, talk to me about this fellow. அப்படின்னு Bhagavan will want to know about us if we live our lives in this manner. அது ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா ஒரே ஸ்லோகத்துல Valmiki Bhagavan has easily captured it for us and given it to us in one shloka itself. He says, how did Bharata live his life in utter dedication and Sharanagati? Everything was for the Paduka's sake. The ruling was for the Paduka. He did not accept any joy for himself. He lived his life as Anna was living. He was living his life as Anna was living. He was also eating only roots and fruits. He was living outside. He was dressed in the simple attire of a sannyasi, of a rishi, of a tapasvi. He did not sleep on a fancy couch. He slept on the bare ground. He sat upon the ground. Throne was there. On the throne, Padukas were there. He was sitting on the ground by the side. And everything was offered to the Paduka. Let everybody come. Yaar vandalum seri Padukikku modalla. If any kings came, neighboring countries, 14 years இருந்தா இல்லையா, அந்த 14 yearsல என்ன ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா, what happened for those 14 years அப்படின்னா, initially some of the lesser kings around the place all thought Ayodhya was weakened. Yena Dasharatha is dead. Rama, who was groomed to be the next king, has been exiled. Bharata, who knows nothing about statecraft, is living like a rishi outside and sitting with Paduka. Like a mad fellow, he is sitting and saying, Paduka is the king, Paduka is the king. Mad fellow. This is the right chance, let us attack. They all came to attack. Attack panna vandone Shatrugna again vanna Anna, our enemies are coming to attack. Odane Bharata said, Anna namaskaram anda, va, come, you fall at Paduka. Odane Paduka namaskaram panna. What is your name? Enna, you forgotten my name. Hey, what is your name? Shatrugna. What is the meaning of it? Destroyer of enemies. Then go do. Then what are you waiting for? Go destroy the enemies. Shatrugna. But immediately Shatrugna went there, defeated all the enemies, captured them and brought them. Shatrugna drags all of them. The kings who dare to rebel, all the kings are dragged and brought here. Bharata Maharaja, please forgive us, please forgive. Hey, not me, Padukas. They thought he was a madman who was worshipping Padukas. In the end, all of them had to also come and worship the Padukas. For 14 years, Shatrugna protected that kingdom from enemies. Bharata took over Bharanam. Adanalda, his name was given as Bharata. And the Galatariye Pathar. Vashishta Bhagavan, when he was naming these children, Dirgadarshi, because he knew the future, he gave them right names. Rameti, Ramayati, Ramyati, Ramaha is Rama. And Ramana, he is himself in delight. He gives delight to all of us. He himself is the source of delight. He is happy. He is making us happy. Adanala Rama. Lakshmano, Lakshmi Sampanna. Even Lakshmanan, he is filled with all Lakshmi Sampanna. He has got Lakshmi in him. All Aishwarya in him. What is Aishwarya? Kainkarya Bhagyam, the Aishwarya. What is the great wealth that he got? What is the Lakshmi Sampanna? One endowed with great prosperity, great fortune, great wealth. What is the wealth that Lakshmana was endowed with? The ability to stay with Rama and serve him. Adanal Lakshmano Lakshmi Sampanna. Bharata. What is the meaning of Bharata? One who is bearing the burden is Bharata. He is bearing the burden of the kingdom for 14 years. And during those 14 years, Shatrugna is the one who is destroying all the Shatrus. Shatrugunan illai. Previously also I mentioned this in Tamil. Unfortunately, people will call him Shatrugunan. Shatruguna illa. He does not have the quality of being an enemy. He is a Shatrugna. Gna, one who destroys. Shatrugna. Not G-U-N-A. G-N-A. G-H-N-A actually. Shatrugna. Now one who destroys the enemies. And then for 14 years he was the one who was destroying enemies. Tulsi calls him in Hindi Ripudaman. Shatrugna is Ripudaman. In Hindi Ripu, enemy, Daman, destroy. Ripudaman. Shatrugna is another name. Sanskritly Ripudaman. Ripusudana, Ripudamana. For 14 years, in this manner, Bharata and Shatrugna are going to protect this kingdom. Bharata is going to protect it by worshipping Padukas and looking after all the administrative aspects, submitting them to the Padukas. Shatrugna is going to do, he'll first come and do Namaskaram to Rama Padukas, then he will go. After finishing, he will come back, do Namaskaram to Rama Padukas and report to Rama all the things that have happened. Although they were away from Rama, they would not have felt away from Rama. They would have always felt as though they are in constant touch with Rama because they are reporting to Rama, talking to Rama all the time. Ibdiya Bharata is administering Ayodhya. In the meantime, in Chitrakuta, after Bharata has departed, all the rishis who were around came there. Several rishis came there. So Udvegam, they were all filled with some agitation. With agitation, they all came. Again, they all seem to all sit around him. They want to talk something. And they're not openly talking anything to Rama. Rama is looking at them. Pata enna pandra appadina. Nayanai भ्रुकुटीभिश्च रामं निर्देश्य शङ्किताः अन्योन्यम् उपजल्पन्त शनैश्चक्रुमितः कथाः. ரொம்ப அப்படியே Valmiki is painting a picture with words. Nayanaihi, with their eyes looking at each other. அப்படி ரெண்டு பேர் பேசிக்கிறாங்க. Shanai Anyonya Upajalpanta Shanaihi, whispering amongst each other. ஏதோ whisper பண்ணிக்கிறா. They are lifting their eyebrows and showing something. With their eyes they are showing. Nayanaihi, with their eyes they are signaling. Brukutihi, with their eyebrows they are signaling. Nirdeshya Shankita, they are showing some signs. And they are not openly talking. Between each other they are talking. என்னமோ ஏதோ problem இருக்கு. Rama understood there is some problem. And we don't have to openly tell the problem. If we act in this manner itself, Rama will know there is a problem. சரி, ராமர் புரிஞ்சுடுத்து. அதனால ராமர் சொன்னார், அவ கிட்ட கிருத்தாஞ்சலிஹி. எப்போ பேசினாலும் ராமருடைய ஒரு அழகு. Whenever Rama is speaking to all these holy men, he will hold his hands like this. கிருத்தாஞ்சலிஹி அப்படி கை கூப்பிட்டு. ஒரு தடவை காஞ்சி மகாபெரியவா said, it seems, thank God I was not born during Rama's time. Everybody would have said, I wish I was born during Rama's time, I will see Rama. I wish I was born during Rama's time, I will see Rama. And they will all say, Anna, I will say, thank God I was not born during Rama's time. Yeah, why not? He said, if I was sitting there as Matadipati at that time, as a sannyasi, Rama would have come and prostrated to me. And that was Rama's Svabhava. Rama, Krishna, what was their Svabhava? Mahatma, they will come immediately and prostrate. Even though I should be prostrating to them, Bhagavana, they will prostrate. Luckily, I escaped that. At the Kal, the Rishi Gadlam Pavam, those poor Rishis, they got caught. அப்படி ராமனுடைய குணம் அது. ஒரு வினீத பாவம், ஸ்வபாவ வினீதஹா அப்படின்னு ராமாயணம் சொல்றது. ஸ்வபாவ வினீதஹா. He was by nature humble. He was not pretending to be humble. He was not trying to be humble. He was by nature humble. இது ஒரு uniqueness. ஏன்னா with so much skills, how can he be humble? In every way he is best. In everything he is the best. Position wise he is the best. He is the ruler. First son of the emperor. Parakramathila, prowessla he is the best. Knowledgela he is the best. Gunathila he is the best. In every way he is exemplary. Anal swabhava vinitaha na, he is innately humble. Adanalda he is best. Pranjalihi, Kritanjalihi, with Anjali, he is saying to all of those rishis, looking at all of them, he says, have I done something wrong? Has there been any change in my conduct towards all of you? Na kaschit bhagaval kinchit पूर्ववृत्तमिदं मयि दृश्यते विकृतं येन विक्रियन्ते तपस्विनः. Have I unknowingly behaved in a certain way to cause some kind of disturbance to all of you? When I came here, you were all very friendly towards me, you were all coming here and speaking happily with me. And now today you are not opening up, you are all disturbed, I can see, but you are not talking to me about it freely. That means in some way or the other I must have offended you. My behavior must have changed, has it changed in some way to cause this perturbation to you? Pramadacharitam kaschit kinchinnavarajasya me. Otherwise, did Lakshmana behave in some way to cause some offense to you all? Lakshmanasya rishibirdrishtam nanurupamivatmanah. Have you all rishis found some unbecoming conduct in my brother, younger brother Lakshmana? அவன் ஏதாவது தப்பு பண்ணிட்டானா? அத்தவா இல்லைன்னா கஷ்டித் சுஸ்ரூஷமானாவ சுஸ்ரூஷண பராமயி பிரமாதாப்யுச்சிதாம் விருத்திம் சீதாயுக்தம் ந வர்த்ததே. The Sita who is always devoted to serving me and serving you all, has she failed to behave appropriately as befits her? நாங்க ஏதாவது தப்பு பண்ணிட்டோமா? Have the three of us, is any one of the three of us committed any mistake, any offense? Please tell us. அப்படின்னு ரொம்ப வினீதத்தோட ராமா is asking them, and they have come to his house, they have come to his ashrama with a bit of frowning face. இருந்தாலும் ராமா is asking them in this manner, have we committed any offense? The கேட்ட உடனே ராமர் இப்படி கை கூப்பிட்டு கேட்டுட்டார் இல்லையா. Rama has joined his palms together and he's asking. இதை கேட்ட உடனே ஒரு வயசான தாத்தா ரிஷி, ஓல்டு ரிஷி இருக்கார். அத ரிஷிர் ஜரயா விருத்தஸ் தபசாச்ச ஜராங்கதா. தபஸ் பண்ணி 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 தாத்தா ஆயிட்டார். தபோ தாத்தா, சாதாரண தாத்தா இல்ல அவர், தபஸ் தாத்தா. By doing tapasya he became old, it seems. Tapasa jarangata. He has become old in tapasya. Abdina, he has done tapasya for many years. Very senior rishi he is. Aged rishi, physically also aged in tapasya also, rich in tapasya also. அவர் வந்து இப்படி ராமா, when he asked in this manner, vepamana ivo vacha ramam bhutadayaparam. When Rama asked in this manner, he started to tremble. அவர் நடுங்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டான். ஐயோ, कुतः कल्याण सत्वायाका कल्याणाभिरतेस्तथा चलनं तात वैदेह्या तपस्विषु विशेषतः. Tata, குழந்தையே, my child, how can Sita, who's the embodiment of all auspiciousness, who's always engaged in performing all auspicious activities, how can she ever violate or cross the boundaries of her duty? Has Sita made a mistake in சொல்லிட்டேப்பா, அது மாத்திரம் கிடையவே கிடையாது. How can Sita make a mistake? அப்படின்னு, did I make a mistake? நான் அதுக்கு பதில் காணும். Rama first asked, did I make a mistake? Did Lakshmana make a mistake? Did Sita make a mistake? No. Sitaya, how can Sita make a mistake? No. But how can you make a mistake? How can Lakshmana make a mistake? Chonna Tevara, that also should be added earlier. Tata enna chonna? Tata didn't say that. All that Tata said was Kuta kalyana satvayaha kalyana biratestata chalanam tata vaidehyas tapasvishu visheshataha. சீதை தப்பு பண்ணிடுவாளா? இந்த சர்டிபிகேட் தான் கடைசி வரைக்கும் அவளுக்கு. Maharishis are giving certificate to Sita. Sita cannot make a mistake. Ultimately, fire also is going to say it. Dasharatha is going to say it. All the gods are going to say it. Anindita அப்படிம்பார் ஹனுமான். ஹனுமானுக்கு பிடிச்ச பேர். Hanuman will refer to Sita as Anindita, she who can never be blamed, the blameless Sita. Kalyana Satvayaha, Parama Kalyaniyam, most auspicious woman. Kalyana Biratestata, always engaged in performing auspicious deeds. Jaganmatha Alya. How can she ever commit a mistake? அப்படிங்கிறதுனால how can she make a mistake? அப்படி மட்டும் தான் சொல்றேன். ராம லக்ஷ்மணனை பத்தி சொல்லல. He doesn't say anything about Rama Lakshmana. Only about Sita he has to say. Twan nimittamidam tavat tapasan prativartate रक्षोऽभ्यस्तेन संविघ्नाः कथयन्ति मितः कथाः. पारमा the danger we are all alarmed by a certain thing. என்னது அப்படின்னா, we are all alarmed by the activities of rakshasas in this place. They will not tolerate you. They will not treat kindly towards you. There are a lot of rakshasas around here. Ravanavarajaha, Ravana's brothers are here. Drishtascha Ravanavarajaha kaschit karo nameha rakshasaha. Inga Kara abdino rakshasan irkanpa. He's Ravana's brother. He lives in nearby Janasthana. He is a very cruel fellow. Avaliptascha Purushadakaha, is a cannibal, he eats people. Rakshasa who eats human beings. Avaliptascha is very haughty. very impudent he is. Papascha, sinner he is. Karan peru donkey. He has uprooted all the rishis from Janasthana, and ever since you started residing in this ashrama here, knowing that you have come here, he is starting to cause more harm to all of us. They are coming in various forms. These Rakshasas are coming in various forms and are employing forbidden, dirty means by which they kill the tapasvis. They come into our ashramas, conceal themselves in various ways, harass us and kill us. When yajnas are about to start, they take away the holy articles intended for it. They break the vessels that are to be used for it. Adanala, all of us are thinking of abandoning our places and moving to other regions. We are going to quit this place because we are tormented by these Rakshasas. Again, Thalli, there is another ashrama a little distance away. We all want to go there. We are all planning to go there, but we have come here because we don't want you to be left alone here, lest those fellows will come and misbehave with you. Adanala, if you want, you also come with us. We will all go and be safe there. It's not safe here for us, it is not safe here for you also. If you are alone, it is a different story. Sakalatrasya sandeho nityam yatyasya ragavani. You are here with Sita Alya. Because you are here with Sita, your wife, it is not appropriate, it is not safe for you to stay here. Adanala, we are all leaving, you also come with us. When all the rishis came and prayed to Rama in this manner, they all came and prayed. We will stop here. We will see what happens later. Janaki Kanta Smaranam, Jai Jai Rama Rama Anjaneya Swami Ki Jai. Sarve Bhavatu Sukhino, Sarve Sandhu.